In modern society, the fast food industry has become an essential part of people's daily lives. As life becomes increasingly fast-paced, customers are not only concerned about food quality, but also place greater importance on service speed, convenience, and overall dining experience. Therefore, how companies effectively manage their operational processes has become a key factor for success in the fast food industry. Operations management refers to how a company manages its resources, processes, and work systems in order to transform inputs into final products and services. In the fast food industry, process strategy plays an important role in improving operational efficiency, reducing customer waiting time, and maintaining consistent product quality. From an industry perspective, fast food businesses often need to handle a large number of orders within a very short time. Therefore, the design of operational processes directly affects overall performance and customer satisfaction. Based on this context, our group selected AllAce as our research subject to explore how process strategy is applied in a real business environment through field observation and employee interviews. On the 17th of May, 2026, our group visited an AllAce outlet located in Sunway Pyramid, Malaysia. We conducted on-site observation and collected data through video recording and employee interviews. Upon entering the outlet, we first observed the overall environment, including customer flow, ordering behavior, and employee working conditions, in order to understand the daily operational patterns of the store. The main purpose of this study is to observe how theoretical process management is applied in real operational practices, such as ordering systems, kitchen operations, and employee coordination. AllAce originally originated from AllAce in China, a fast food brand specializing in fried chicken, burgers, fries, and beverages. In recent years, the brand has gradually entered the Malaysian market and officially rebranded as AllAce in 2025 to better adapt to local consumer preferences and market conditions. During our observation, we found that AllAce operates with a highly systematic and standardized workflow, especially in its ordering process. Customers entering the outlet usually first check the menu and prices before choosing between two ordering methods: traditional counter ordering or a self-service QR ordering system. During peak hours, such as dinner time, we observed short queues forming at the counter, while QR ordering remained relatively smoother, making it a preferred option for some customers. For customers choosing counter ordering, they first queue at the cashier counter, where the cashier is responsible for taking orders and processing payments. In this process, we observed that cashiers are not only handling transactions but also managing multiple tasks at the same time, such as confirming meal combinations, recording order details, and promoting ongoing deals. Staff often introduce daily promotions such as "buy one free one" to encourage sales. Based on employee interviews, we learned that cashiers must work with a high level of accuracy, as any input error may directly affect kitchen operations. Therefore, the cashier plays a crucial role in the information flow of the entire system. On the other hand, for customers using the QR ordering system, they only need to scan the QR code placed on tables or counters to access the online menu. During our observation, this process took only a short time, allowing customers to select items, adjust quantities, and complete payment directly through their phones. Compared to traditional ordering, this method significantly reduces waiting time and minimizes communication errors between customers and staff. After payment is completed, the system automatically generates an order number and sends the order to the kitchen display system. Kitchen staff then prepare the food according to the system-generated queue, following a structured workflow similar to a queue-based production system. Once the food is ready, it is packed and handed to customers. For delivery orders, the system automatically synchronizes with delivery platforms and notifies riders for pickup. The entire process, from order placement, system processing, food preparation, packaging, to delivery, forms a complete and continuous operational flow. We also observed clear differences between peak hours and non-peak hours. During lunch and dinner periods, order volume increases significantly, while non-peak hours are relatively quiet. Apart from the ordering process, we also focused on kitchen operations. Inside the kitchen, employees are assigned to different stations, including frying chicken, preparing burgers, making drinks, and packing orders. Each station has a clear division of responsibilities. During actual operations, we observed that teamwork is essential. When one station becomes overloaded, other employees assist to ensure the workflow continues smoothly. One junior staff member stated that he is mainly responsible for cashier duties and customer service, but during peak hours, he also assists in kitchen operations. This flexibility is common in fast food operations, as it improves adaptability during high-demand periods. We also observed that the kitchen becomes the busiest area during peak hours, especially when both dine-in and delivery orders increase simultaneously, creating higher workload pressure. Employees mentioned that during busy periods, the most important task is to remain calm and follow the system cue strictly to avoid operational confusion. From an operations management perspective, this situation can be identified as a bottleneck, mainly occurring in the kitchen processing stage. In addition, we observed that AllAce uses multiple technological systems to support daily operations, including POS systems, electronic payment systems, QR ordering systems, and delivery platforms such as Grab and Foodpanda. These systems work together to improve automation and operational efficiency. In terms of customer service, most issues are handled properly. When order mistakes occur, employees take responsibility and replace the food. This service recovery helps maintain customer satisfaction and brand image. Furthermore, AllAce places strong emphasis on SOP, standard operating procedures, and quality control, conducting regular audits to ensure food quality, hygiene standards, and product expiration control. To enhance the authenticity of this study and complement the limitations of on-site observation, we conducted an in-depth interview with one of the store employees to gain a better understanding of the real operational experience and daily workflow at the outlet. During the interview, the employee mainly described the working rhythm during peak hours. He explained that when a large number of orders come in within a short period of time, the system continuously updates and prioritizes tasks, requiring staff to quickly adjust their focus and switch between different responsibilities. This ensures that the overall preparation and service flow remains uninterrupted and efficient. He also shared that during busy periods, the store operates in a highly coordinated manner, where different stations actively support each other through immediate communication and simple instructions. For example, staff may temporarily assist in frying, packing, or beverage preparation depending on the workload distribution, which helps to reduce bottlenecks in specific areas. In addition, the employee reflected on the importance of experience and skill development in fast food operations. He mentioned that with greater familiarity with the workflow, employees are able to make faster decisions regarding task prioritization and reduce the likelihood of operational errors. Under high-pressure conditions, this accumulated experience allows staff to maintain more stable performance and sustain service efficiency even during periods of heavy customer traffic. He also noted that although the working pace can be intense, the standardized system design helps minimize confusion by providing clear procedures and structured order flows, enabling employees to complete tasks in an organized manner. Through this interview, we were able to enrich our understanding of the store's operations from an employee's perspective. It not only provided deeper insight into the pressures and coordination required during peak hours, but also highlighted the practical importance of standardized processes and employee experience in ensuring smooth and efficient operations, thereby strengthening the real-world relevance of this study beyond theoretical analysis. Based on our observation, we conclude that AllAce mainly adopts a repetitive-focused strategy. This strategy emphasizes standardization, repetition, and process consistency, making it highly suitable for high-volume operations in the fast food industry. Through standardized procedures, clear job division, and technology integration, AllAce is able to maintain consistent product quality while improving overall operational efficiency. In addition, this system allows the company to better handle peak hour demand and maintain stable service performance. Based on our findings, we propose several recommendations. First, the kitchen workflow and layout design can be further improved to reduce unnecessary movement between workstations, thereby increasing efficiency. Second, communication and coordination among employees should be strengthened, especially during peak hours, to reduce order delays and operational errors. Finally, increasing temporary staff during peak periods can help reduce workload pressure and improve overall service stability. This field study has allowed us to gain a deeper understanding of how process strategy is applied in a real fast food business. AllAce relies on standardized processes, clear job division, and technology integration to enhance overall operational efficiency and maintain stable service performance in a highly competitive industry. Through this study, we were able to connect theoretical knowledge from operations management with real-world business practices and develop a clearer understanding of its importance in daily operations.